Be bold and don't put the bed in the middle. Zihan's bedroom is not big to begin with, and you put the heavy bed in the middle and put the wardrobe against the wall. There are only narrow aisles on both sides of the bed. Zihan has to be careful when walking. Don't put the bedside tables on both sides. The bed can barely fit a desk. A wardrobe is not enough to store space, and it blocks half of the wardrobe. Look at my old lady. Put a room at home at once. A small cloakroom is indispensable. Hang Zihan's beautiful long skirt on one side. Put the out-of-season quilt on the top, and put Zihan's underwear on the top. Put Zihan's cross-century underwear in the middle. Store them separately for taking out and putting them next to the computer. Zihan's clothes from childhood to adulthood are hung on the top. The kingdom that Zihan has built over the years is covered with a magic mirror on the wall. Zihan's outfit is effortless. He is in a good mood every day. The gauze curtain is an independent feather. The galvanized square tube is used to raise the bed frame. Borrow a few $dozen from my second aunt and put a few expansion screws to fix it firmly on the wall to prevent shaking. The second aunt's house is covered with environmentally friendly wood veneer. Move a soft mattress above the bed. Open the partition seat to store books for reading before bed and snacks that Zaheo likes to eat. Install switches and sockets at the bedside. Turn off the lights and charge without worrying about going to bed. Put down all the items before going to bed. The wooden veneer partition wall outside the seat is soft and comfortable to sleep around the big bed. The wooden veneer railing makes Zihan sleep safely. The bookshelf below sits on the stairs. Zihan put down all the college entrance examination materials. Walking every day makes sleeping a ritual. The key is that Zihan, who has poor sleep, sleeps more soundly. 3. There are 2 small drawers under the sitting table against the wall under the bed to keep Zihan happy. Put soft cushions on it, and it becomes a comfortable sofa. There is a bookcase against the wall with lights. Zihan puts down all his study books. The big table brought from her aunt's house is Zihan's independent study area. Mom can supervise her study at any time and no longer has to worry about her child's grades. Buy a small projector to watch TV series. The bedroom is designed like a tadpole against a frog. It is absolutely the best. Let's take a look at the overall effect. Company's first generation GTA product, Xia, Dao, Series, and Car, was released. I don't know if there is any connection between the two.